Hi, everybody.
Hi there.
Well, okay, intro to Graeagle video part 2. Now, before we get into that, see what's behind us? See those mountains? Look around a little bit. Can anybody guess where we were? And no fair to you guys. Scott, I know what you're going to do. Yeah, I know exactly where you're
Scott
at.
and Ariane, yeah.
But it'd be interesting to see if someone knows. So we got a great video coming up for you. Hope you enjoy it. And as always, if you have any comments, suggestions, we would love to hear from you. Thanks so much for watching. And please subscribe if you feel your way clear to do so. So without further ado, let's go.
See ya. Back up to Gold Lake again the following week. Get it. And this is Salmon Lake. And Sardine Lake.
Hit this tree. We're up on the Gold Lake Highway. And look at the debris from the tree all over the place. Man, could you imagine been standing here and that happened? I mean, that is crazy. It's Wednesday, June 21st, and we're up around Gold Lake. The air is crisp and clean. It's 59 degrees, and I don't think there's anything happier than watching your dog go batshit crazy because he's off the leash. Get it! June 21st, and there's still snowmelt runoff. But crazy. Glad to have experienced it. Heavy snowfall, and we still have snow on the ground. June 21st in the Sierras.
And you can't have an outing without a visit to the Frosty for ice cream and the best yummy burgers.
Hey y'all, so I'm at the Gold Lake staging area. And what we found here was a trail, but it's not marked up on this main road. So I'm thinking most people don't even know it's there. And the beautiful thing about that is we're the only ones. General can come off leash and we can go for a nice hike. And I can remember when it was all I could do to keep up with this guy. But he's coming up on 8 years old, and his hiking isn't what it used to be. We didn't even go a quarter mile, and he wants to go back to the truck, so I'm gonna take him to a lake and let him play in water. That he always loves to do. Okay, a long time ago, hundreds of years ago, over 200 years ago, our Continental Congress voted for independence on July 2nd. And then 2 days later, they voted to adopt the Declaration of Independence, which was written mostly by Thomas Jefferson. So there was a debate. Should we celebrate our independence on July 2nd or the 4th? Well, this went on for a while, and we were still fighting the British for our independence. So 2 years later, on 1778, July 4th, George Washington ordered all the troops get double rations and double drinks to celebrate the 4th of July. So everybody said, all right, now we know what day we're going to celebrate on. So that's a little bit of history about our great country. And do you know what happened when we got our independence? You all got your freedom. You're free. You live in a wonderful country. You can grow up to be anything you want. You can grow up to make dresses, be a baker, a fireman, a policeman, maybe even own a fun place like this. So maybe it's a good time on the 4th of July to think about your freedom and maybe think about what you want to be. I got one last question for you. Does anybody know what was the color of George Washington's white horse? White! Good one! Good one! So enjoy your parade, have a lot of fun, and think about maybe what you want to be when you grow up.
Country on the face of this earth. God bless the USA. Tomorrow, all the things we're gonna work for all my life.
We went to the Iron Door restaurant for our anniversary. Very expensive, but very good food and wine. It was a wonderful evening. Here's a short little tour through the very small town of Johnsville. And a visit to Davis Lake in Portola, and of course the Portola Frosty for burgers and ice cream. Our friend Tracy brought General a small pool, and he really enjoyed that.
There you go.
Tell it.
You tell it.
Tell it.
You tell it.
Ed got a new telephoto lens for his camera so he could take bird pictures better and easier.
Jesse Farrow. Tim Smith, extraordinaire. fixing yet still another crazy move where an RV decided to try and clean off the side of the bathroom roof.
Still a lot better than it did.
All right, patch back up. Jesse Farrow saves the day. Awesome.
Having dinner with our kids, short ribs and corn casserole. Just getting started on my new winter coat. We ordered new cushions for our dinette from Amazon. They wear out pretty quickly because we do spend a lot of time sitting there. Yet still another new regulator for our propane tanks. I think this is the third one we've bought since we got on the road. I know there's a sprinkler running in there somewhere.
Okay, y'all, so we're replacing cushions, and we bought some high-density foam and material, and so we're going to do some upgrades. So this thing comes wrapped up, and look at the size of this thing, and this is how big they are when you get them. And so we're cutting them open, and they're kind of exploding, and we're inside a 30-foot travel trailer, so yeah.
Exploding foam is never a good thing.
It's funny. I mean, this is bizarre. It's like something out of Alien.
Sewing up the new sofa cushion covers. These new cushions replaced our old futon mattress, which weighed about 80 pounds, and these new cushions weigh less than 15 pounds.
It just doesn't take much to make this guy happy. Just give him some water.
So this, we learned, is a hummingbird moth. It has the wings and long beak of a hummingbird, and it sucks on the flowers, but it's actually a moth. We get a lot of deer hanging out in the storage lot. This was a fun project that Amber and I worked on together. We were given the task to redo the dummy that sits on the back porch. It used to be a guy, but we decided to make it a girl. So we shopped for new clothes at the thrift store and dressed her all up. Her name is Clarice. Another visit to the mill pond downtown, but this time we took the trail off the back and walked down by the river. It's just beautiful back there. And new window shades for the kitchen. Yay! There is a four-seater golf cart at the RV park, and Ed kept calling it the Bentley, and he actually found a decal to stick on it.
Today is General's 8th birthday, and as always, per tradition, Sandy has made him this special mix she buys from Amazon. So it's a peanut butter doggy cake along with some special doggy ice cream.
Which is up here.
And this guy, I think that he knows what's coming.
Because he's a smart boy.
Happy birthday, Bud Boo. 8 years old.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Bud.
Happy birthday to you.
Come on, feed me.
Happy birthday, dear General. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Bud. Okay, come on, people, feed me. He is just watching you. 8 years old. Boy, it's gone so quickly. Just the bestest pupper ever. Happy birthday, General, aka Butterbutt, Sweet Boy, and all the other names we give you. Dogs are great. They bring so much to your life. So every year, General gets a stuffed birthday cake as a toy. And this is his 8th one, and we have all 8 of them. We have the 7 previous ones. And now he's getting his new one.
There you go. Happy birthday.
Yeah.
You got it?
Now? I want more cake. I want more cake. Yeah, the present's nice, but you know, I really need more cake. Can I get more cake?
A new extension cord for our kitchen that isn't always in the way.
This is what happens to an extension cord when you don't give it enough food when it's a baby.
Here are some pics of Little Bear RV Park where we were working.